Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Kraken account to your bank, step by step. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, log into your Kraken account and click the Transfer tab on the left-hand side, then select Withdraw. Next, choose the currency you want to withdraw from the Asset dropdown. You can search for your preferred currency if it's not showing. Under the Method dropdown, select a cash withdrawal option, then click Continue to add a new bank account. This is where your funds will be sent, so make sure it's the account you want to use. Fill in all the bank account details. You'll also add an account nickname so it's easy to identify in the future, and make sure the name on the account matches your verified Kraken account. Once everything is complete, click Add Bank Account. After your bank account is added, confirm the withdrawal details and submit your request. Withdrawals usually take a few business days depending on your bank. That's it. If this helped you withdraw funds smoothly, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.